Your windows play a vital role in maintaining your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall value. In Tuscaloosa's climate, where hot summers and chilly winters demand reliable insulation, failing windows can lead to higher bills, poor comfort, and even structural issues. Recognizing the early warning signs can help you avoid costly damage and make your home safer, more energy efficient, and more appealing. Skyrocketing energy bills. If your energy bills have suddenly increased without a change in your energy habits, your windows might be the culprit. Drafty or poorly sealed windows allow air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain the desired temperature. In Tuscaloosa's humid summers, this means your air conditioner runs overtime, driving up costs. Modern energy-efficient windows with double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and proper sealing can significantly reduce these expenses while keeping your indoor environment comfortable year-round. Noticeable drafts or air leaks. Feeling a breeze near your windows when they're closed is a clear red flag. Over time, wooden frames can warp, vinyl can crack, and seals can deteriorate. These gaps invite outdoor air and moisture inside, compromising your home's insulation and air quality. To check for leaks, run your hand around the window edges or use a candle flame. If it flickers, air is sneaking through. Replacing your windows promptly prevents further damage and ensures consistent indoor comfort. Condensation and fogging between glass panes. Condensation between window panes signals that the seal protecting the insulating gas has failed. This not only affects visibility but also reduces the window's thermal efficiency. Once moisture infiltrates the panes, the insulating gas, like argon, escapes, making your windows less effective at keeping out heat and cold. In humid Tuscaloosa conditions, prolonged moisture buildup can even lead to mold growth, posing health risks and structural concerns. The best solution is a complete window replacement with modern, moisture-resistant designs. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that stick, jam, or refuse to stay open are more than just an inconvenience, they're a safety hazard. Warped frames, rusted hinges, or swollen wood from moisture exposure can make operation difficult. In emergencies, such as fires, this could block escape routes. Additionally, windows that don't close properly invite pests, drafts, and security risks. Modern replacement windows are designed for smooth operation and durability, offering improved safety and ease of use. Visible damage or decay. Rotting wood, cracked glass, or peeling paint are visual signs that your windows have reached the end of their lifespan. In Tuscaloosa's mix of heat, humidity, and rain, these damages can escalate quickly, leading to leaks, mold, and even frame deterioration. Damaged windows also diminish your home's curb appeal and resale value. Replacing them not only restores beauty but also strengthens your home's protection against the elements. Excessive outside noise. If outdoor noise seems louder than before, your windows may have lost their soundproofing ability. Modern insulated windows use laminated glass and multiple panes to significantly reduce noise intrusion. For Tuscaloosa homeowners near busy roads, schools, or construction zones, upgrading to noise-reducing windows can dramatically improve peace and quiet indoors. Fading furniture and flooring. Sunlight streaming through outdated windows can fade your furniture, carpets, and artwork. Older glass lacks UV protection, allowing harmful rays to penetrate your home. Energy-efficient replacement windows with low emissivity coatings filter out UV rays, preserving your interiors while letting in natural light. The bottom line: ignoring window problems can lead to higher costs, discomfort, and even safety issues. Whether it's rising energy bills, drafts, or visible damage, timely window replacement safeguards your home's efficiency and comfort. In Tuscaloosa's dynamic climate, investing in modern, energy-efficient windows is not just a home improvement, it's a long-term commitment to comfort, savings, and peace of mind.